Welcome back to Learn Languages. This is part 52. Last lesson we learned get up, give up, and look for. Today we have 3 more essential phrasal verbs. Let's start with turn on. Turn on means to start a machine or device. Please turn on the light. It's dark in here. Can you turn on the TV? The news is starting. Turn on is separable. You can split it. Turn the light on is also correct. Now let's talk about put off. Put off means to delay something to a later time. I keep putting off my dentist appointment. We all do this with things we don't enjoy. She put off writing her report until Friday. This is called procrastination in English. Put off can also mean something disgusts you. The smell put me off eating the food. Now for our third phrasal verb, find out. Find out means to discover new information. I just found out I got the job. How did you find out about this restaurant? Find out is inseparable. Don't split it. Let's review all 3 phrasal verbs. Turn on, start a device or machine. Put off, delay something or feel disgusted. Find out, discover or learn new information. Can you use all 3 in one story? Try it in the comments below. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.